y'all, my name's Jess McLaughlin. I am a physical therapist and clinic director with Panorama Orthopedics. Today we're going to go over some pre-operative exercises for the knee. The exercises we are going to go over are all safe to perform in a pain-free range with clearance from your physician and/or your physical therapist. The hamstring stretch exercise can be easily performed with a rigid strap, a towel, or a sheet. Begin this exercise by laying flat on your back with one knee bent. Loop the strap around your foot, grab the ends with your hands, and slowly pull your leg up and hold when a gentle stretch is felt behind your leg, holding for 20 to 30 seconds and then lowering back down slowly. Please feel free to perform on both sides if applicable. This is the single knee to chest stretching exercise. Begin by laying flat on your back and bend both knees up. Grab behind your thigh with both hands and gently pull your knee to your chest until a stretch is felt on the back of your hip. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and then slowly release. And please feel free to perform on both sides. This is the piriformis stretching exercise. Begin by laying flat on your back, bend both knees up. If comfortable, cross your leg over the other leg, grab behind the opposite thigh, and gently pull your knee to your chest. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and slowly release. And please feel free to perform on both sides. This exercise is a calf stretch and can be performed with a rigid strap, a towel, or a sheet. It can be performed lying down or sitting up, so whatever is most comfortable is best. Begin by placing the loop of the strap on the ball of your foot. Grab both ends of the strap, gently pulling back until a stretch is felt on the back of your leg. Hold for 30 seconds and slowly release. Please feel free to perform on both sides. This is the heel slide exercise and can be used preoperatively to help improve flexion range of motion of your knee. Laying flat or sitting up, place your foot on a surface that can easily slide your heel. Grab a rigid strap, towel, or sheet, wrap it around your foot. Using your hands to assist, slowly slide your heel until a stretch is felt in the knee. Hold for 10 seconds and gently release. This is the abdominal bracing exercise. Laying flat on your back, bend both knees. The intent of this exercise is to tighten your core such that your back flattens into the table. Once you feel the pressure of the table on your back, hold for 10 seconds and gently release. This is the straight leg raise flexion exercise. Begin by laying flat on your back, bend one knee. Tighten your core by flattening your back into the table. Squeeze your quad and slowly raise the straight leg up to the height of your other knee and slowly bring it down. Be sure to encourage your core to stay tight throughout the whole exercise. This is the straight leg raise abduction exercise. Begin by laying on your side with your hips and your shoulders in line with one another. Bend your bottom knee and then straighten your top leg so that a straight line is created for your whole body. And keep your core tight and slowly raise your leg up to the side and back down. This is the bridging exercise. This is performed by laying flat on your back and bending both knees. Prior to lifting your hips, engage your core by flattening your back into the table, squeeze your glutes, and lift your hips up. Pause for about 3 seconds and then slowly lower back down. Be sure to try to maintain a level line between both hips. This is the long arc quad exercise and can be performed sitting on the edge of your bed or in a chair. Sitting up with your shoulder blades squeezed together and your core tight, squeeze your quad and slowly lift your leg up. Count to 3 and slowly lower back down. This is the heel raise exercise. It is performed by standing with your feet shoulder width apart and slowly raising up on your toes. Be sure to engage your quad muscle on the front of your knee to maintain a straight position while raising up and down. This is the body weight squat exercise. Begin by engaging your core and start the movement by sitting your hips back. As you lower, be sure your knees are not going inside your toes and slowly stand back up. Additionally, be sure that as you sit back, your knee does not come in front of your toe to encourage your hip muscles to be working during this exercise. This is a three-way leg swing exercise and helps to focus on improving your balance as well as your hip strength. This can be performed standing without holding on to anything, or if you feel unstable, please feel free to hold on to a firm surface that is not going to move. Begin this exercise by squeezing your quad and glute on the leg you will be standing on. On the opposite leg, slowly swing your leg forward, back to the middle, out to the side, back to the middle, and back to the middle. Please be sure to maintain an upright posture and a tight core during this exercise.